Mary, can you help me? I need to write a report, but I have no time.
Sure, John. Did you try ChatGPT?
ChatGPT? What is that?
It's an AI tool. You can ask it questions and it helps you write.
Really? Is it free?
Yes, you can use it for free. Just go to the website and create an account.
Okay, but how do I use it?
It's simple. You type your question or task, then ChatGPT gives you an answer.
Can it write my whole report?
Not exactly. It helps you start. You still need to check and edit the text.
I see. Can I ask it anything?
Yes, but be clear. Ask specific questions. That way the answer is better.
Okay, I will try it now. What should I write first?
Write something like, "Help me write a report about our new project."
Got it. Let me try. Wow, it's fast.
Yes, it is. But remember, always review the information. ChatGPT can make mistakes.
Good tip. Thanks, Mary. This will save me a lot of time.
You're welcome, John. Enjoy learning.